Children at preschool age are at the initial stage of developing fundamental movement skills, with the balance being at the forefront. The use of a baby balance bike encourages the development of critical abilities in children through vigorous physical activity, which in turn leads to improvements in balance, laterality, and coordination. The simple design for the Bammax balance bike teaches a baby how to steer and balance on two wheels with no pedals. It'll be the best gift for your baby. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. Recommend age. Bammax Baby Balance Bike is suitable for 9 months to 24 months kids whose height is 70 cm to 85 cm. It's a kind of good bike for babies who are learning to walk or developing balance. With sturdy structure, its max load capacity up to 105 pounds. Number 2. Easy to installation. Baby balancing bike has a modular design which makes it easy to assemble within 3 minutes, no tools required, no sharp edge hurting your baby. Toddler bike is a great ride on toys for 1-year-old kids to begin testing their mobility and active motor skills till 3 years old. Number 3. Develop child motor skills and body build. Toddlers learning to ride on the bike could develop muscle strength, learn how to keep balance and how to walk. Using feet to go forward or back forward will build baby confidence, independence, and coordination, with a lot of fun. Number 4. Ideal first bike gift for baby. This baby balance bike is the perfect present for friends, nephews, grandsons, and godsons or your own little baby boy and baby girl. No matter if birthday, shower party, Christmas, or any other occasion, great first bike present choice. Number 5. Safety and sturdy. Baby balance bike with a sturdy structure and safe durable materials, non-slip EVA handle, and soft comfortable supportive seat. 135 degrees limit steering design will avoid side falling to keep baby safe. Fully and widen enclosed EVA wheels ensure baby feet safety. Approved by American Security Testing Laboratory ASTM F96311, EN71 certification, BPA free and no smell. Best choice for baby use. And so much more. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.